Have concerns about lead on surfaces and in solids? Don't guess. Test. Introducing the new Safe Home Lead and Solids Combo Test Kit. This is the only kit on the market that includes do-it-yourself swabs for lead on surfaces screening and optional testing at our EPA-Certified Laboratory for lead in various solids. It comes with 10 do-it-yourself surface swabs that can detect lead down to 5 parts per million in just 30 seconds. These can be used on most solid materials ranging from paint, dust, furniture, toys, and more. Our swabs are the only DIY swabs to use ACS grade reagents, which provide more reliable results. If one of your swabs indicates the presence of lead, you can use the supplies included inside this kit to send a sample of the material in question to our EPA-Certified Lab for testing. Results from your lab test will be emailed directly to you. Our laboratory testing meets EPA, NLLAP, RRP, and PPE guidelines, which means it's ideal for anyone who needs compliance documents. Lab results can also be used for disposing materials in hazardous versus non-hazardous landfills. Whether you're a homeowner protecting your family or a contractor needing certified data, the Safe Home Lead Combo Test Kit delivers fast, accurate, and professional grade results all in one kit.